Hi beauties, welcome to Vixie's Vanity Vault, and today's video will be all about brushes. So I have a brush set here with me that I feel will be perfect and affordable for beginners. I mean, it shouldn't be up to 10,000 naira. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment any other video makeup related that you want me to talk about. So I've been seeing this particular brush set on Instagram, but honestly it did not move me until I went to a makeup store and then I saw it physically. So looking at it face to face or physically made me realize it is actually a good brush set for beginners, even though you might still need to buy some few things. But even with those extra things that you buy, it will still not be more than 10,000 naira. So this is the brush set I'm talking about. I'm sure you've seen it on Instagram pages being sold by makeup vendors. So, and this one is from Frank B, and I'll be going through each of them one by one to show you that it is perfect for makeup, especially the face brushes. So I'll be starting with the face brush that it has, and in my own opinion, these are complete face brushes you need as a beginner. And the best part about it is that it is actually soft. Back then when I used to buy cheap brushes, they used to be painful, like they used to be stiff and strong. If I should put it on, I'll feel it pricking my hand, but this is completely soft. So I'll be showing you the foundation and powder brush in this set, and this is what they look like. So this one that is flatter can be used as a foundation brush. You can see it's like a flat top brush. There's a difference why this one is a little bit rounded compared to this. So you can use this one as your foundation brush and it applies very well. Then this can be your powder brush, and I like how small it is because you can even take it out. You know, there are other bigger powder brushes that you can put in your bag and then leave with it to just touch up, or with this one you can use it at home and still put it in your bag for touch-ups. So yes, foundation brush and powder brush. Then the next one is the contour brush and blush brush. So this one is an angled rounded brush, and I prefer this for my own contour. So the only reason I'm showing you is because you can make your choice. If you want this flat top angled brush to be your contour brush, it is okay. If you want this one to be your contour brush, it is okay. But you can use them, as I said, as a contour brush and a blush brush. So either one that you prefer, I prefer this one for my blush because it is flat and I just need it, while this one is rounded in a way, but it will still work. Honestly, I can use anyone for anything, but these are the two brushes that you can use for your contour and your blush. The last brush we have here is a pointy dense brush. So now the use of this particular brush varies. You can use it as a powder brush to set your under eye, but what I actually use it for is my skin prep. This can be like a prep brush in general. Just use it for prepping your face or powdering your face, as the case may be. So the thing about this brush set is that there's a big the big design and the small design, they are all the same. So all these things you see, like the shape of these bigger brushes is the same shape of this smaller brush. I like to use this one that is straight up. You can use this one for your eyeshadow. This is the fluffy blending brush, so you can use this one for your eyeshadow. I like to use this one to just apply my highlighter because it is angled but it is still fluffy, and it is big but small enough for me. Just use it to apply my highlighter. That is, if you are someone that uses highlighter, you can use this to apply your highlighter. So that one is good. You can use all these ones for any other thing. This one is also an angled brush, so if you want to contour your nose, you can use it to contour your nose, but honestly I don't contour my nose. And yeah, so I can still use this one for my eyeshadow if I choose. Then for the extra things that you'll be buying, and I don't know if I said the price. The price, I bought it for 4,000 in the store that I went to because I was there physically, but I do see that on Instagram most of the vendors sell it for 5,000 naira, maybe 6,000 now, I'm not sure. But you know what, let's just go with 6,000 naira. Let's go with 6,000 naira for this brush. The extra things that you'll be buying alongside that brush set is a flat shader brush, and although there's this one here which is the pointy brush, the smaller pointy brush, which you can still substitute for this flat shader brush if you choose. I mean, you are a beginner, it's not that serious, you're not a makeup artist, you're just someone starting out your makeup journey, so you can always substitute using this dome brush as an eyeshadow brush. Because it is actually an eyeshadow brush, you can use it to just apply your matte shade or the shimmery shade on your eyebrow while using the fluffy brush for your crease, inner crease. But if you still choose to, you can get the usual flat shader brush that looks like this. My own, I've been using it for a long time, that's why it is like this. But you can get a flat shader brush if you choose to. Let's say highest, it should not be, but let's just say this one will be 1,000 naira. So we've calculated 6,000. Even though on Instagram I see the brush set to be 5,000 naira and I bought it 4,000 naira physically, I'm just saying. But let's just say the brush set is 6,000 naira. This one now 7,000 naira. And then your eyebrow brush, so that's the dual ended brush, which is the angled and spoolie brush in one for your eyebrow and to clean up your brow. You said this one too is about 1,000 naira, even though it should be less than. You'll find this one anywhere. So that is how much now, 8,000 naira. We also have our makeup sponge because it is, you cannot do without it. So makeup sponges are very essential. So you need it to be soft enough, not too soft when it is dry, but soft enough that you can press it, and then when you wash or when you add water to it, it expands and it is softer. So you need a makeup sponge. There are various makeup sponges for various prices. There are makeup sponges that you see at 1,500, 2,000 naira or 3,000 naira depending on you. So you can get the makeup sponge that is 1,500 or 2,000 naira, but just touch it please, like open it. You know, there's a carton, a plastic carton it comes with. Just open it and touch it, so that you'll be able to press it in like this. You need to be able to press it in while it is dry like this, and then when you add water to it, it will expand. So let's just say this one is 2,000 naira. The last thing you need is a build what will I now call this one, powder sponge. Let's just call it a powder, but this, it is very popular nowadays. It is not that necessary if you have a makeup sponge, in all honesty, but you can just buy it on the side because it is still useful. It's still useful at the end of the day. So this one is no more than 700 naira or 800 naira, but you can add it to 1,000 naira again, and everything totals to 10,000 naira. So instead of breaking the bank to buy brush set that is like 40,000, 30, 25, yeah, they are there. You can just get that brush set and get the extra brushes and tools that I talked about. And funny enough, those brush sets, they don't come with the makeup sponge or this powder sponge, so you still buy this one after buying your brush set that is like 20,000 naira. So I shouldn't have even bothered talking about this because they are important tools, but you will not be buying it along. It will not come along with any brush set. So yeah, this is just the two extra things you'll be needing to buy along with the brush set, but everything in total are the essential brushes you need as a beginner. If you need a makeup sponge, you can always get this one just for the good vibes, then the brushes I showed you. So yes guys, that is basically all for this video. In my next video, I should be sharing with you how I use these brushes. My face is acting up today, so I don't really want to apply makeup on it. I just want to leave it alone. But in my next video, I'll be sharing with you the complete makeup kit. That's the products now that you need, and I'll be showing you how to use these brushes with them. So thank you so much for watching to this point. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, share this video to anybody starting out their makeup journey. Leave a comment for whatever you want me to explain to you makeup wise, and yes, I really appreciate. I'll see you in my next one. Take care. Bye.